Okay, let's work on this invert normal, standard normal self quiz. So the filling of shakes at In-N-Out are normally treated with a mean of 443 milliliters and a standard deviation of 2 milliliters. The In-N-Out says that only 5% of drinks are underfilled and that only 3% of drinks are overfilled. Represent the region of underfilled drinks, then find the threshold value of underfilled. So we're gonna do underfilled here, right? So here's my mean, about 44.3. Underfilled is 5%. So remember, underfilled is on the left-hand side. So you start on the left-hand side, go about 5%. That'd be 0.05, right? Not 0.5, 0.05. I have the percentage, so if I want to find out like what's that threshold, we're gonna do invert normal. So invert normal, 0.05 is my area because it is the left-hand side. I can just use it. No fancy calculators needed. Then here I have my mean, 443, and then my standard deviation, 2. Put that into our calculator. So second distribution, invert normal, 0.05, 443, and 2. I'm going to get about 3 6 figs, 440. So again, 3 6 figs rounded up, so 440. So that's the threshold. Anything below 440 is underfilled. Represent overfilled drink. Same thing with overfilled. So overfilled is only 3%. So again, overfilled, since it's overfilled on the right hand side. So 3% over here. Same way, don't forget 0.03. Now in this case, if you have a fancy calculator, you could, and it says tail, do a right tail, but I don't have that right now, so I gotta figure out what that is to put in invert normal. That'd be 1 minus 0.03, because the whole thing is 1%, or 100%, so 1 minus, and I get about 0.97. So invert normal, 0.97, 443, and 2. So my calculator, second distribution, invert normal, 0.97, 443, and 2. And again, 3 6 figs, so I'll round that up, so 447. So 447 is an overfilled drink. Anything above that's overfilled. The probability a random selection shake has less than 441. So let's first find our mean. Now again, notice they're not asking for the probability. They don't give us a percentage. They're asking for the probability. So this is a normal CDF question. Where in these two, they gave us the percentage is going to go backwards. So the mean is 443. I want to find the probability I have less than 441. So this is like a review problem, right? We're going negative E99 to 441. So normal CDF, negative E99, 441, 443 is my mean, my standard deviation is 2. Type that all into our calculator. So normal CDF, negative E99, 441, 443, and 2. So I get about 0.159, almost 16%-ish. 60% of our drinks are less than 441. Given that, our favorite, given that a shaker has less than 441 milliliters, classic IB, find the probability that is underfilled. So let's rewrite it. So actually, I'm going to give that formula first. So probability A given B, so the formula sheet is probability A intersection B. This part's always the hardest part, over probability of B. Okay, now let's rewrite it with what we have. So probability A given B. So given that shake has less than, or given that is less than 441, I want to find probability of underfilled. So put that in here. So this is underfilled and less than 441 over the probability you're less than 441. So again, we already know the bottom. We did that. Probability less than 441. That's just right now. So 0.159. The top is always the tough part. So you want to be underfilled and less than 441. So what is that? Well, 441. So what is that? Underfilled is 440. So underfilled, like we do a number line, you always like to do. Here's 440. Less than that is underfilled. less than 441 is this guy. Here's 441. That's less than 441. So that's less than 441. There you go. That's less than 440. So again, underfill's a little tough because you have to think, okay, what's underfilled? Underfilled is the bottom 5%. But what's the number? Well, the number is 440. Like so underfilled is here, 440, less than 440. We figured that one out, and then literally less than 441 is this. Well, so what's overlap? Underfilled. Underfilled is overlap. Overlap of less than 441 and underfilled is underfilled. Less than underfilled. So what's the probability of underfilled? It's a little tricky. You're like, wait, I got this as answer. They actually told you the probability of underfilled. It was only 5%. So that's a little tricky because it's like you don't think about it. They actually gave the percentage. So I do this. So I just got to divide that. So 0.05 divided by 0.159. And I get 3.3144. 366. Just like that. So yeah, 30% chance. If you're less than 441, you're going to be underfilled. The quality inspector randomly checks 20 shakes. Found the probability that at most 2 shakes are underfilled. So again, notice that's out of nowhere. That's like, hey, we're going to check 20 shakes. This is a binomial question. Find probability that at most 2 shakes. So remember, at most means like at most 2 cookies. That means that 2 is my max. So binomial CDF, x is at less than or equal to 2. So at most 2, less than or equal to 2. That's the way we want it. So that part's at least good. Binomial CDF. I need my trials. Right, it's asking for trials. It's like N PR. R is like how many things are your trials? How many things are you actually trying? 20. Probability underfilled. Well, what's underfilled? Underfilled is 5%. And I want 2, at most 2. Since we're doing CDF, that works out. So it's gonna be, I don't know, X is it's gonna be 20.05 and 2. Put in our calculator. So second distribution, we're gonna go binomial CDF because it's at most. So less than or equal to sign. Trying 20 of these, probability of getting underfilled is 0.05%. And my X value is 2. Have that all in. And you get about 0.925. So you have a 92% chance is that most 2 shakes are underfilled. And there you go.